Do ready up, work the safety, and we transition into ready up, shoot, back change, function, back change, shoot twice.
All right, folks, quick tip on accuracy. So this is what a proper sight picture should look like. You have your rear sights and you have your front sight, and they are both bisecting your target across the middle. I'm aiming here, and while I'm taking my shots, they are landing down here for some reason. 9 times out of 10, that is not something that is wrong with the gun. That is something that